Hello everyone, I'm Martin from My House. Today I'm very excited to show you an industrial B2 unit, perfect for businesses in the automotive trade or investors looking for a great investment return. And we are at Carros Centre. Purchasing this B2 industrial unit is unique because it has a very good entry price, a good rental yield, and no ABSD payable. Okay, let's go check it out. Welcome to the unit. This is a 1,721 square feet unit with a very wide frontage of 8.8 meters and a depth of 15 meters. And you do have a very high ceiling of 5.6 meters. This is an owner-occupied unit, so it's super well maintained. Ceiling fan and lights has been done up, ventilation as well. And you do have a very nice washing bay. If you are looking for a car wash business, this is perfect. So this unit still has a very healthy balance lease of 55 years. And the current estimated rental is about 3.5 to 4,000. And that means your rental yield can be up to about 4.7%. And with such a healthy lease left over, it means that you still have chance for the property to appreciate. This unit also comes fitted with an attached bathroom, which means you can save on renovation costs from building a new toilet. Because this building is an integrated automotive hub, you do have a lot of businesses that are in the automotive trade, and which means a high flow of traffic from customers and also other businesses. So this will help build strong demand from the related businesses, from your neighbors as well as from your neighbors' customers. So your B2B and B2C will be all covered. If you are looking for a functional 1,721 square feet regular layout for your business in the automotive line, or an investor seeking for good investment returns with a good entry price, contact me, Martin, from My House at 9127-8681, and I'll be very happy to bring you for your exclusive viewing.